In previous video, we have seen basic operations on CT signals. Now we'll see one example. This is the given x of t and the question is find x of t into del of t plus 3 by 2 minus del of t minus 3 by 2. Now the del is nothing but impulse function. First of all, we will solve this bracket. Here I'll plot del of t. Del of t is nothing but at t is equal to 0 we have infinite amplitude, and if it is unit impulse at t is equal to 0 we have one amplitude. Rest of the all values will be 0. Now this is my del of t. Now del of t plus 3 by 2. The signal is advanced by 3 by 2 means 1.5. This is my 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Signal is advanced by 3 by 2. Here it is minus 1.5. Next is del of t minus 3 by 2. This del of t is delayed by 3 by 2. So the signal will shift to the right hand side by 3 by 2. 1, 2, 1.5. Now here it is, we are having minus del of t minus 3 by 2. We will perform one more operation, that is minus del of t minus 3 by 2. This is inverted operation. Whatever values are positive, that will go to the negative. Here it is 1, 1.5, 2. Here we have got del of t plus 3 by 2 minus del of t minus 3 by 2. Now we will add them. Del of t plus 3 by 2 minus del of t minus 3 by 2. The resultant sketch will be at 1.5, at minus 1.5 there is positive value, and at plus 1.5 there is negative value. Now we have solved this bracket. Next step, we are going to multiply this x of t with this impulse function. Now while doing multiplication, the simple trick is, first of all see which is the smallest signal. This one is the smallest signal. Rest of the only at minus 1.5 and plus 1.5 there is peak. Rest of the all values are 0. So here we have at minus 1.5 there is 0.5, minus 0.5, and at plus 1.5 in given x of t, here it is plus 1.5. Rest of the all values are 0, so the x of t will goes to the 0. Let's plot the final resultant. X of t into del of t plus 3 by 2 minus del of t minus 3 by 2. The resultant sketch will be minus 1, minus 2. At 1.5 there will be 0.5 amplitude, minus 0.5. And at plus 1.5, there will be minus amplitude, because here we are having plus 0.5 and here it is minus impulse. So the answer is at minus 1.5 the value is minus 0.5 and at plus 1.5 amplitude is minus 0.5. This is the answer.